Hi everyone, welcome to Math. Today we are going to study from class 10th, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions, exercise 5.3, question 17. This also is one of the important questions, so please pay attention. It's very easy, only you have to understand the question properly. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? So the question is, there is a school where the students are planning to plant the trees in order to reduce the air pollution. Okay. So what they have decided is that each section or each class will plant the tree according to the class that they are in. Example is given, if you are in first standard. So if the student is in first standard, that student will plant 1 tree. And if the student is in second standard, they will plant 2 trees. If student is third standard, they will plant 3 trees. If they are in fourth standard, they have to plant 4 trees. So like that till standard 12. So that means those who are in standard 12, they have to plant 12 trees. So that is understood. So each standard, according to the standard, they will plant the tree. So first standard 1 tree, second standard 2 tree. If it is 12th standard, they have to plant 12 trees. Now another important thing is there are 3 sections of each class. 3 sections of each class meaning is what? That means each standard is having 3 divisions. That means class 1 has 3 division A, B, C. Class 2 has 3 division A, B, C. Likewise, up to class 12, each class is having 3 divisions. So that is the important thing to be noted here in this question. Then how many trees will be planted by the students? How many trees? That means the sum of the trees or the total number of the trees will be planted by the student. So what is the question? So each standard, if class 1, they will plant 1 tree, but in class 1, how many divisions? 3 divisions are there. So 3 trees they will plant. In class 2, 3 divisions are there and each division will plant 2 trees. So likewise, all 3 up to 12th standard. So now let's write down the information that we have. So standard. So let us write down the standards. How many standards are there? Okay, the standards. So we have first standard, second standard, third standard, and so on up to 12th standard. Okay, first standard, second standard, third standard, dash, then 12th standard. Okay, so we have 12 standards we have. So since each standard is having a 3 section, okay, since each standard has 3 sections, so the number of trees will be planted as follows. Okay, so now first standard will have to plant how many trees? 1 tree, but then first standard is having a 3 division. So first standard, they will plant 1 tree, and how many divisions they have? They have 3 divisions. Okay, now here number of trees. Now second standard, they will plant 2 trees, and how many divisions they have? They have 3 divisions. So likewise, third standard will plant 3 trees, but then how many divisions they have? They also have 3 divisions. So likewise, 12th standard will plant how many trees? 12 trees. And how many divisions they have? 3 divisions. Okay, so then this will form an AP. So the AP that follows we have. So now the AP that we have will be 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, dash dash, 12 3s are 36. Okay, so this forms an AP. So let me make you to understand once again how we got this. See, if standard, okay, first standard, okay, first standard. So first standard will have 3 sections. The section A, B and C, and each section will plant one tree, right? So then how many times 1 we are getting? 3 times, because 3 section, so 3 times, right? So same way, second standard also will have 3 section, that is A, B and C. They will plant how many trees? 2 trees. Each section will plant 2 trees. So 2 how many times we have? 3 times. So 2 we have 3 times. So likewise third standard. So third standard will plant 3 trees. How many sections? 3 sections. So that's how I did this way. I hope you have understood this part. Okay. So then when we calculate, we will get this AP. So now what are the information we have from the AP? So let's write down. Since the question is how many trees will be planted by the students. So that means total number of trees. So that means we can use a formula, SN formula, because this is for the number of total, right? Sum of the number of terms. So then we take the first formula, that is N upon 2, A plus L, because we know the first term, that is A. We also know the last term, that is 36. So let's write down value. A is 3 and this is first term, right? This is A1, A2, A3, and this is AN. Okay, so we know the value of A, that is first term, and then the last term also we can say AN. So that last term is 36. And also we know the value of N, because how many number of terms means classes, up to 12 classes. So this is 12, up to 12 classes, right? So each class, no, first standard, second standard, third standard, so up to which standard? 12th standard. So number of terms will be up to 12 standard, right? So N is 12. So now we have to find out the sum of the number of trees. So let's put the formula. S, N value we know, that is 12. So 12, sum of 12 classes. So N is 12 upon 2. A we know, first term, that is 3. L is, that is last term, that is 36. So S 12. So we can divide this. We'll get 6 times 12. Then 36 plus 3. This will be 39. So then if you multiply 639, if you multiply, you will get 234. 39 into 6. 5 to 34 we get. So this is our answer. Hence the number of trees will be planted by the students are 234. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.